everybody. Yes, yan yung mga nire-request natin, mga recording of this presentation. So, okay, let's keep it going. So, we're going to first introduce to you the product, and then later on, we're going to explain or discuss to you the business plan of this wonderful product. Okay, so first, what is our product? Okay, it is iTera Care. We call it therapy devices. Okay, so as you can see here, we have three different devices. First is the classic device, which is yung color red. Yan yung pang household use. And then, ayan, may modern na issuance of this another premium device. Yan, very latest yan na technology. And of course, the iTera Care Pro device. Ito yung heavy duty, ito yung hospital grade na ginagamit sa different therapy centers. Okay, so later on, we will discuss ano yung mga differences nitong tatlong klase ng devices natin. As you can see here, it is a revolutionary product that will enhance our health. When you say revolutionary, it is innovative, it is unique, it is modern, and it is state of the art. Okay, so we will discuss it one by one later on. Okay, so before bringing you the details about our product, I will give you some idea about our experiences about illnesses, diseases, and sickness, right? So throughout generations, we use medicines to cure illnesses, sicknesses, and diseases, right? And this medicine, synthetic or natural, generally comes from plant extracts or animal derivatives or a combination. For example, yung penicillin, right, comes from a mold, right? And of course, the fish oil extract. Yan. So usually throughout the years, ito yung nakagisna natin na every time meron tayong nararamdaman na hindi maganda sa katawan or at worst, may sakit, right? So basically, we're taking medicines. But now, in the modern generation, of course, syempre makikisabay tayo sa trend. We use a modern alternative approach, and that is iTera Care. That's why it's called revolutionary, because it is something innovative, it's modern, and state of the art. Okay, so we're going to discuss to you the two concepts of discovery and innovation about our product. Okay, dalawa ang ating magiging concept na pag-aaralan about this product. First is about the concept about frequencies, right? Because according to the prediction of Albert Einstein, the future medicine will be the medicine of frequencies. Ito na yung tinatawag natin na modern approach dito sa medicine pagdating sa health natin. Okay. So the question is, what is frequency? Right? Because ito yung prediction ni Albert Einstein, and he is one of the greatest scientists ever lived, right? Ang dami niyang mga discovery. And the future is now already. That's why ito na yung pinag-uusapan natin. Right? So I'm going to give to you a basic idea lang. We're not going to go into the details about this frequency. Okay? So frequency, kung makikita nyo on the left side of your screen, either you're using a mobile phone or a laptop, on your left side, nandiyan yung tinatawag nating radio wave. Okay, so radio wave, paano nga ba, halimbawa, we're listening to the music. So paano ba natin na re-receive yung music na yon? Eh, ang layo-layo naman ng source nung studio kung saan nanggagaling yung music na yon. So it propagates from the station, from the source, down to our radio, okay, para marinig natin yung music. So that one is called the wave. Okay, so wave bands, maraming klase yan. At isa pang particular example is the use of cell phone, right? So how can we call or receive calls, right? Eh, ang layo-layo nung tinatawagan natin. So it's about the propagation of the waves, which is ang utilize niyan is yung tinatawag nating microwave. So yan yung nandito sa left side ng ating pinapakita dito na different kind of waves. At dito naman sa further right, makikita naman natin dito yung tinatawag na X-rays. Right? So lahat naman siguro sa atin na experience na magpa-X-ray. So if you're going to wonder, no, so paano nakikita yung image ng ating lungs? Yung mga internal part nung body natin. They are utilizing electromagnetic wave o yung tinatawag ng X-ray waves, right? So it is part of the frequency because the frequency is the measurement nung itong tinatawag natin na waves. It's either radio wave, microwave, o yung mga X-ray wave. And ito yung pinaka-importante, yung nakikita natin sa gitna. Yan, yung tinatawag nating terahertz, which is also a kind of electromagnetic wave na between do sa microwave at saka doon sa infrared o yung X-rays. Okay. So what is something unique about the terahertz? Okay. Because later na lang ito na-discover. So tingnan natin ano ba ang naibibigay nito. As you can see here, it's a frequency between 2 to 17 terahertz. Right, which is very good for human body. Okay. So tingnan pa natin ano ba ang mga definition na binibigay nila about dito sa terahertz because this is a modern discovery, right? So technology of terahertz, this is one of the top 10 most advanced technology to change the future world. That's why our topic is so interesting. Hindi lang this is about our therapy device, but we are looking down, ano ba yung pinanggalingan nitong ating device na ginagamit natin sa ngayon. Okay? And according to the Japanese authority, tawag nila sa terahertz is the wave of light. Right? Because it is a kind of wave, right? And according to the scientists of China, they name it as the light of light. Kumbaga, iba-iba sila ng description dito sa paggamit ng terahertz. So, saan ba talaga siya ginagamit sa ngayon? Ha? It is widely used already. Where? In the communication technology. Because utilizing terahertz frequency is they're able to gather or transmit high data transmission pagka ginagamit nila itong terahertz na ito. And what else? It is also being used sa public safety, biomedical, archaeology, military. Why? Because the military use these terahertz for surveillance. And of course, the identification. So kung makikita nyo rin dyan sa picture, it is being used right now sa yung mga satellite network, especially the 5G and the 6G. Right? So far sa ngayon, yung iba ginagamit pa natin is 4G, pero through the advanced technology, 5G and 6G na, and they are utilizing the use of terahertz. So ganito talaga ka-interesting ang itong terahertz na ito. And of course, sa mga airport security, kung makikita nyo yung mga imaging na ganyan, pati itong sa mga hospitals na ginagamit for medical detection. So meaning to say, it is widely used already. That's why one of the Chinese scientists by the name of Yang Wenjun has successfully invented the first terahertz device that can be used for human. Dito na yung pinaka-umpisa yung concept nitong ating iTeracare. So thank you sa isang biomedical scientist na si Yang when June. Okay? So kung nakikita nyo dyan sa tabi niya, no, yung pinaka parang prototype ng unang discovery niya, right? So, ganyan ang itsura ng iTeracare before. That was around mga 2014. At sigurado yan, magugulat kayo kung magkano yan. So that's why ang presyo niyan is close to 2 million. Right? Because syempre, parang grabe yung effort and the resources to make or to come up with this kind of device. But of course, through the years, through diligent research, right? So after 6 years of that research, scientist Yang Wenjun was appointed as a think tank member by the Chinese Academy of Management Science for his professionalism and authority when it comes to terahertz. So unti-unti ini-improve niya yan every year until na meron na tayong affordable na iTeracare devices na nagagamit natin sa ngayon. And so, thank you dito kay scientist na Yang Wenjun. Okay? So, kung makikita natin dito, maraming mga research na ginawa para magkaroon tayo ng ganitong klase ng device. Right? So, na-discuss natin itong first concept, right? Yung tungkol sa terahertz or sa frequency. Another concept na gusto nating tignan na pinanggalingan ng ating product is the declaration coming from Hippocrates. Si Hippocrates is our ancient father of medicine. So meaning to say, credible ang kanyang mga prediction, ang kanyang theory, ang kanyang mga concept, right? So ano ba ang kanyang concept? Sabi niya dito, if there's a way to hit the bones, then all diseases can be treated. Grabing declaration ito. Why? All diseases can be treated. Ito yung concern ng majority sa atin. Kaya nga siguro kayo umattend for this presentation because right now you have a health challenge. Right? Pero sabi dito ni Hippocrates, all diseases can be treated. Pero paano? Sabi niya rito, tandaan nyo to if there's a way to hit the bones. The question is how to hit the bones, right? So explore pa natin kung ano bang benefit o itong expound pa natin itong theory na sinabi ni Hippocrates. It is also validated by this book na nakalagay dito na ang title is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So kung i-convert natin ito into our own unit, this is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay? At makikita natin dito na sabi dito na when body temperature increased by 1 degree Celsius, our immunity, of course, to all diseases and sicknesses, will be enhanced by 5 times. So naku-curious na ba kayo about this, right? Ito yung pinanggagalingan ng ating ng theory natin kay Hippocrates because the ideal body temperature for optimum health is what? 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, the question is paano nga? Right? Sasabihin natin, wow, lalo na nung during the pandemic, di ba? Usong-uso yan na, oy, 37 degrees ka ba? Nako, iiwasan ka na. Or before ka makapasok to any kind of establishment during the time ng lockdown, kailangan hindi tataas sa 37.5 ang temperature mo, right? Otherwise, papauwiin ka na ng security guard because you cannot allowed to enter the building. Okay? Kasi ibig sabihin yan, you are positive sa COVID, right? Pero ang sabi nga dito, kailangan ma-increase natin yung temperature natin. So meaning to say, we need to increase our body temperature, of course, without the infection. Kasi pagka there is infection in our body, definitely tataas ang ating body temperature, right? Akit yan ng 37 or pagka may matindi ang infection natin, yun na, nagkakaroon na ng fever. At hindi nga lang 37, aakyat pa yan ng 37.5, even 38, or even 39 degrees centigrade. Kaya lang, hindi yun yung gusto natin na mangyari. Dahil, meaning to say, pag tumataas yung temperature natin na yun, meron tayong infection. Pero ang sabi doon sa concept ni Hippocrates, we need to increase our body temperature without infection. At yan ang pwede nating makuha by using iTeracare devices. Okay, so mamaya i-explain natin sa inyo paano natin mayu-utilize o ma-achieve yung ganitong concept pag ginamit natin yung iTeracare device natin. Let's explore more about the theory na pagka in-increase natin yung temperature natin, meron tayo makukuhang wellness. So makikita natin dito the different benefits of heating the body, right? So ang dami niyan. So hindi na natin yan iisa-isahin pa. Okay? So kaya nga yung ganitong mga concept of heating the body is very maraming nagtatry. Kaya makikita nyo dito sa picture nyo, yan, mga sauna gadgets, okay, or mga sauna facilities na usually makikita natin ito, especially itong mga wooden part na ito o wooden type, makikita natin yan sa mga gym. Right? So after natin mag-workout, mayroong mga sauna facility sila doon na talaga namang anong purpose no? To heat up our body. Why? Because after this, we feel relaxed. Tama ba? Wow, parang ang gaan ng pakiramdam natin. Kaya nga sabi nung iba, bakit ka ba pumapasok na sa sauna? Kasi yung feeling nila, nadi-detox sila. Lumalabas yung mga sabi nila, mga oil nila, mga fats nila. Right? Kasi naiinitan sila. Kaya lang sabi nung, especially during the pandemic, kaya, di ba, close naman yung mga gymnasium na yan, hindi sila available. Kaya naging prominent din yung selling ng mga pang-household na mga sauna na klase ng mga devices. Yan, kung makikita nyo yan, at the comfort of their home. Because they are utilizing the concept of heating the body without the infection. Yan. So again, we utilizes two basic concepts. First is yung technology about the terahertz. Yung sinabi ni Einstein na future of medicine is through frequency. And of course, the theory and the prediction na sinabi naman ni Hippocrates na kailangan nating i-heat up or increase ang ating body temperature. Okay, so we will now go directly now to the product. So paano ba natin mayu-utilize yung ganitong mga principles using our iTeracare devices? So we will summarize this explanation through the 5 features of our unit. First is the penetration, the activation, the identification, the serialization, and of course, easy operation of our devices. So, isa-isahin natin to. First is the feature of the terahertz. Okay, I will check lang. I will unmute. Okay, it's clear already. So, the first feature of our terahertz is what we call penetration. It hit up the bone marrow, clearing the blockages. So, kailangan mag-penetrate yung heat, right? Dahil sabi nga ni Hippocrates, if we can hit the bone marrow. So ito na yung target natin. So the frequency of the terahertz is able to penetrate our body from 20 to 30 centimeters. So it's around mga 1 ruler yung length niyan to reach the bone marrow, right? So to explain to you, every iTeracare devices natin has features of generating terahertz. So inside our, as you can see here, ito yung example ng ating premium device. Yan. So, every devices natin is nakaka-generate sila ng terahertz, which is sabi nga ni Einstein, ito yung future ng medicine. At the same time, it also produces quantum energy. Yan. And also, it emits therapeutic heat. Yan. So, ito ang benefits na nakukuha natin dito sa ating iTeracare device. And one main component ng ating device is what we call optical quartz. Yan yung nandito sa loob. Yan yung pinaka-important component. So, pag sinabi natin quartz, di ba, it is delicate. Kaya, iiwasan po natin na mabagsak itong ating device kasi ang mangyayari yan, mababasag yung optical quartz na nasa loob, which is the main component ng ating device. Okay? So once na nagbo-blow tayo nito, we increases our body temperature. Okay? So once we increase our body temperature, yung immunity natin na strengthen din. Thus, helping the body recovery. So ang approach natin is modern alternative medicine. Right? Kasi nga, nasabi natin kanina, the traditional approach of treating sicknesses, diseases, and different illnesses is through synthetic or natural medicine. But right now, we're going to utilize the modern alternative approach, right? Using frequency and heating the bone. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so second feature of our terahertz is to activate the cell, right? So meaning to say yung resonance. Ano ibig sabihin ng resonance or resonates? In common word, ang meaning nito is yung vibration. Okay? So terahertz resonates the same frequency as normal human cells. Kaya pagka naiintindihan natin ito, mas lalo tayong na-amaze dito sa produkto natin. Okay? So, kaya ang ano natin is, imaginein mo, yung terahertz, yung frequency na sinasabi natin, nag-i-emit siya ng energy, di ba? It's a kind of wave na yung palang ini-emit niya is katulad din ng vibration ng cells natin inside our body. Right? Because we all know that our body composed of trillions of cells. Napakarami nating cells inside our body. And each cell is vibrating. How many? It is generating 100 million of vibrations per second. Tapos itong frequency na nanggagaling dito sa ating iTeracare, the same. Yung vibration, kumbaga nag-match sila. Right? So it is what we call the combination of Chinese meridian belief na nag-match siya into Western cytology technology. Ito yung tinatawag nating East meets West. Right? Because alam naman natin pagdating sa medicine, sa technology about medicine, medyo opposite sila. Tama ba? Iba ang belief ng mga Easterns at saka sa Western, mga Americans. Diba? Pero through this discovery, parang nag-combine sila. Di ba? Isa pa yung sa nakaka-amaze. Pareho silang naniniwala sa ganitong klase ng technology. And for you to become more, mas lalo nyong maintindihan ito, I will show you a video. Okay? Paganahin nyo ang imagination nyo of how the product, our iTeracare, is how we are using it, kung paano siya nagiging effective. Okay, so as you can see here, before I play the video, itong 512Hz, meaning to say hertz, okay? Meaning to say ito yung magi-emit siya ng gagawin nitong tao na to is magki-create siya ng vibration. Okay, so ang i-create yung vibration is 512 Hz. Tapos meron dito sa tabi niya na ang vibration is 440 Hz. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari dito sa ping pong ball na ito, itong color orange na ping pong ball, kung siya ba ay gagalaw. because they have a different frequency. Isang 512 at saka isang 440. Look very closely, okay? Ipi-play ko yung video. Let us see what will happen. Okay. Anong nakita nyo? Nag-create siya ng vibration, gumalaw ba yung dalawang ping pong ball? Hindi. Why? Because they have different frequency. So ito ngayon, gagamit siya ng same frequency, magki-create siya ng vibration. Tingnan natin what will happen. Look so intently, okay? Look at the ping pong ball. What happened? That explains the resonance na sinasabi natin. Wow, grabe yan. So, explain natin dito sa actual na unit natin. Pag turn on natin itong device natin, merong na-generate dyan na terahertz frequency. Na the same yung vibration niya sa vibration ng trillion of cells ng katawan natin. So pagka ito tinapat mo dito sa palm mo, nakikita nyo ba? Yung cells na nandito, nagbabibrate. Okay? Nagbabibrate yan. So, ni-raise mo yan dito sa arms mo, to your face, to your head, to your every part of your body. Lahat ng tamaan nitong nozzle ng ating iTera Care, binabibrate niya yung ating cells. Kaya pala yung iba, 'di ba, sabi nila, ay nako, pagod na pagod ako for the whole day work. Pero pagka mag-therapy lang sila for 15 minutes, ano nangyayari? They feel relieved. Nakaka-relax. Kasi bakit? Nagba-vibrate yung every cells natin. Right? So yun yung nagiging source o yung reason bakit tayo nare-relax every time na magbo-blow tayo. Right? So grabe ka-amazing yung mga discovery na ito about our devices, right? So another feature of our product is about what we call identification, right? Ito, grabe din ito. Why? Because all our cells, sabi nga, trillions of cells, hindi naman lahat yan active cells. Majority dyan, or not majority, but mostly, mga abnormal na yan or yung tinatawag nating mutated cells. Ano ibig sabihin ng mga mutated cells? For example, mahilig tayong kumain ng mga grilled foods, right? Yung mga iniihaw. Dito sa Davao, ang tawag namin dito, sinusugba. Okay? So, meaning to say, itong mga food na ito, maraming content ito lang carcinogen. At pagka ito binasok natin sa ating system, ang ginagawa niyan, kinakain niya yung mga cells. Ginagawa niya, minumutate niya yan. Okay? Yung parang epekto ng COVID, di ba? Pagka yung COVID virus pumasok sa loob ng system natin, nagkakaroon ng mutation, kinakain ng COVID virus yung mga cells natin. So ganun din yung nangyayari sa lahat ng klase ng mga kinakain natin. Yung mga preservatives, yan. It causes them, yung mga food na ito, na mag-mutate yung ating mga cells. What else? Yung exposure natin sa different radiation, right? Sa cellphone, right? What else? Sa pollution, sa stress, yan. Nag-mutate yung cells natin, nagiging abnormal. So anong kailangan doon sa mga mutated cells inside our body? So yan yung tinatawag nating mga toxin inside our body. So syempre, with the simple explanation, itong mga cells na to, kailangan ito ma-release ito mailabas ito sa loob ng katawan natin. Kaya lang it is not happening. They want to stay in our body. So kung hindi tayo mag-undergo ng mga detoxification process, hindi ito lalabas sa sistema natin. They will stay inside our body. Kaya lang, The problem is, naku, ang mamahal ng mga different detoxification process. Kung magpupunta nga kayo sa Shopee, di ba, maraming mga devices na binibenta ng mga for detoxification. Tapos marami ring mga iinumin ka ng mga alternative supplements para ma-detox. So in short, hindi basta-basta lumalabas itong mga mutated cells inside our body. So good news, isa ito sa feature ng ating iTera Care device. It eliminates all abnormal, all inactive, and all mutated cells inside our body. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, every time na iinom kayo ng water, right? Or every time na magte-therapy kayo, mapapansin nyo, madalas kayong umihi. Or kaya naman, naglo-loose bowel. Hindi yung diarrhea, yung loose bowel lang. Di ba? Lalo na kapag kayong nagbo-blow kayo, especially sa abdominal part nyo. Di ba? So instead na makapiling nyo, bloated yung stomach nyo, once na mag-blow kayo for few minutes, mamaya-maya, makikita nyo, magre-release na yan yung mga gas. It's either magbo-burp kayo or mag-ano kayo, lalabas siya sa iba't ibang klase ng exit ng ating ng katawan natin. Or yung iba, mapapansin nila, may lumalabas through their sweat. So yun na yung mga indication na lumalabas itong mga abnormal cells ng mga unwanted na yan ng system natin. Okay? So aside from that na tinatanggal nito is yung tinatawag nating energy. Ayan. Siguro yung iba sa inyo naniniwala sa energy healing. Energy healing is an alternative healing system that restores the balance and flow of energy throughout the body. Tinatawag nating Qi. Yan. So yung mga Chinese and mostly mga Easterners, yan, pinapaniwalaan nila itong mga energy healing. It addresses the illnesses due to the disturbance of energy flow in the body. It is believed that when the energy flow gets fixed, the person automatically gets cured. Yan. So may mga naniniwala about dyan na meron lang mga blockages sa part ng mga body natin kasi meron ngang energy flow na tinatawag. So pagka may flow, may blockage, hindi nakakatuloy. Hindi tama yung energy flow sa loob ng body natin. Which is, yun yung nagiging cause ng mga sakit natin. So kailangan daw yun na mawala, ma-clear na yun. I will show you a video to explain to what I am saying or explaining. So as you can see here, yan. So papakita ko tong video na ito. Medyo disturbing lang tingnan. Okay? Pero meron tayong makukuha na learning dito. Okay? So ipi-play ko ulit ha, itong video na ito. Pero ito makikita nyo, pagka binoblow doon sa part ng katawan, sa right side, medyo at ease lang siya, medyo relax siya. Pero pagka doon na binoblow sa left side niya, dito sa part ng heart niya, please notice anong nangyayari doon sa tao na to. I will play again the video and watch closely. Okay? Yan o. Right. Diyan sa kanan, relax lang siya. Pero pagka binlow na doon sa left side, tignan yung nangyayari sa kanya. Okay? So, sabihin ng iba dito, wow, nakakatakot pala niyan. Baka mamaya mag-blow ako, baka bigla sumakit yung part ng katawan ko. Well, initially, nakakatakot talaga. Kasi baka sasabihin natin, masama palang epekto sa akin itong iTera Care device. Pero once na maintindihan natin, mas lalo tayo magpapasalamat. Bakit? Because the iTera Care devices is clearing the blockages inside our body. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, it is an indication that there is a problem doon sa particular part ng body natin. Bakit masakit? Every time na magbo-blow tayo ng iTera Care. Ibig sabihin, merong bara. Okay? So, yung mga naniniwala sa energy, merong energy blockage. Pero para doon sa mga hindi naniniwala sa energy, so baka meron na part doon na organ ng body na kailangan na ipa-check up. Okay? Halimbawa, dito sa lower left abdomen, Right? So medyo masakit. Ano ba yung mga organs na nandyan? So it is for you na kumbaga parang dinadiagnose, self-diagnostic itong nangyayari every time na mag-blow tayo ng ating iTera Care device. Right? So pagka masakit, isa lang ibig sabihin nun, ipa-check up mo na yung part na yun. Right? Baka mamaya, yung organ na yan, na pala, hindi na siya pala functioning well. Which is gano'n naman talaga naturally ang ating body. Kayang i-cope up ng ating body system ang lahat ng mga sakit eh. Right? Kaya nga minsan disadvantage pa pagka malakas ang immune system mo eh. Kasi pinipilit lang kayanin ng katawan natin. Pero meron na palang dysfunctional na pala yung part ng yung organ natin. That's why makikita natin dito, a painful organ is the signal of a potential sickness. That's why it is time for you na magpa-check up or magpa-ultrasound bakit masakit yung part na yon. Kaya nga yung iba, di ba, pagka masakit na masakit pa lang yung part ng body, tsaka pa lang sila magpapa-check up. Well, it's gonna be too late because yung iba, yung kidney pala, 70% not functioning na pala, kaya pala masakit yung part na yon. O kaya naman madi-discover na yung colon pala nila is 80%, may mga cancer cells na pala, stage 3 na pala. So once again, pagka kayo magbo-blow at merong biglang sumakit na part ng katawan nyo, be thankful because it is a sign for you na to have a check-up. Baka there's something wrong about it. Okay? So fourth feature is about zero radiation. So safety because we are utilizing wave, right? Baka sabihin nyo, merong mga radiation. So there is a radiation test. So ipi-play ko ito. So makikita natin dito. Ayan. So 00 through this device. So ilalagay niya yan beside the induction cooker. Because induction cooker is utilizing also frequency. So makikita nyo, it's more than 1,000 yung range nung kanyang radiation. Okay, so inalayo doon sa induction cooker, nag-0-0 siya ulit. Ayan, binlow naman. O, kita nyo yung heavy duty pa yung iTera Care Pro which is 10 times ang epekto, wala, 0. So meaning to say, we are safe to use. 0 radiation. Okay, and of course, we are issued 62 different clinical tests supporting our claims that we are effective and we are safe to use. Okay, hindi tayo out of out of nowhere lang. Kumbaga, we undergone different clinical tests to prove our claims. Okay, so iTera Care is best for inflammation. Yan, lahat ng mga T's, rhinitis, pharyngitis, lahat ng mga swelling, yan yung cause talaga ng ating mga discomfort. Yan, lalo na pagka sumasakit ang ulo, sumasakit ang likod, right? So, best also, yung na-mention natin, removes various blockages in the body. Okay, and not just that, it is also great for skin beautification. So, hindi lang pala siya para ma-ease ang ating pain and discomfort. Pampa-beauty pa pala ito. Okay, so an hour of iTera Care therapy is equal to 10 times acupuncture, 20 times cupping, and 30 times gua sha, and 40 times massage. Diba? Ito yung mga na-miss natin during the pandemic, yung magpa-massage. Diba? Kasi delikado magpunta sa mga spa. Pero thankful tayo during pandemic, meron yung iba siguro sa inyo dito, meron na tayong iTera Care device. Kaya no worry tayo noon. We are experiencing the massage 40 times pa. So an hour. So an hour, pwede natin gamitin dyan yung iTera Care Pro. Right? Kahit na more than 1 hour, hindi iinit yung device. Kasi pagka ginamit natin itong classic, mga 20 to 30 minutes, kung manonotice natin, mag-heat up na yung nozzle niya. So ang kailangan lang natin is i-rest siya ng another mga 5 to 10 minutes. And then pagka medyo bumaba na, nag-subside na yung heat, pwede natin i-turn on ulit and we will continue to our therapy. device. Lalo na pagka meron talaga tayong ita-target na sakit. Yan. So, kailangan talaga natin is more than 30 to 40 minutes na therapy. Okay? So, paano ba talaga siya gagamitin? So, I will show you again a video. So, ganito yung mga ginagawa nila sa mga therapy center. So, para ka talaga magpapamassage, 'di ba? Ganito man yung setting pag sa inside the massage or the spa, right? So, nakadapa ka, right? So, ang ginagamit dito is yung iTera Care Pro. Makikita nyo, mabilis lang yung mga extremities kasi 10 times ang power ng iTera Care Pro. Yan. Yan ang masarap. So, start dun sa head, pababa dun sa hip bone, paulit-ulit, up and down, and then doon sa arms. Yan. So, it all depends sa inyo kung ilang minutes. Pero wow, ang sarap niyan. Pagka umabot yan ng mga 30 to 40 minutes, diretso tulog na kayo niyan. Okay? So, ganyan yung simple step of application. Well, kung hindi nyo naman kaya yung ganito yung ideal para at least diretso talaga through your skin na ma-feel nyo yung comfort. Pero kung syempre, kung wala kayong ganitong setup, so kahit yung nakabihis lang kayo, okay, so naka-sitting, standing position, it's all up to you to explore kung paano nyo siya gagamitin. Okay, again, it is user-friendly and easier to use. Kahit matanda or bata, it's good to use. Okay, so para doon sa mga starter pa lang, ngayon pa lang magta-try, so don't forget to drink 2 glasses of warm water or even yung tap water lang. So anong purpose nito? Because you're going to subject your body to heat up, right? Kaya kailangan nyo talagang uminom para maiwas kayo ng detoxification. At saka talagang after kayong mag-therapy for 30 to 40 minutes, sigurado kunin niyo yung temperature ng body nyo, sigurado aakyat siya ng more than 37. So ito na yung sinasabi ni Hippocrates that we need to heat up our body. Of course, without the infection. Okay? Kasi pagka may infection, may fever na tayo. Pero pagka na-heat up natin ang body natin, body temperature deep down to the bone marrow, well, expect wellness to our body. Okay? So, of course, meron tayong mga limitations. It is not recommended for pregnant menstruation, right? Because abnormal yung yung inside the body ng mga ladies pagka may menstruation sila. So, iwasan lang natin na gumamit. If ever naman na hindi mo talaga mapigilan yung sarili mo, gusto mong gumamit, okay lang do sa mga extremities, sa palm, sa toes, yan. Pero wag talaga sa pinaka main body. It's not advisable. Okay? And of course, para sa mga merong mga congenital heart disease, may mga implanted objects, of course sa mga open wounds. Okay? So ito pa pinaka-amazing part natin, right? So as you can see here, yung water, it is being charged, right? So what's the significance of it? So initially, the molecule of the water, as you can see here, ito yung color blue, it is clustered in a bigger particle, bigger molecules. Yan yung the typical structure ng water natin, right? So i-blow natin. So makikita nyo dyan sa sa video, on top, ito yung glass. Okay. Tapos on top niya binoblow. Be careful lang, baka kasi mag-splash yung water. So, pwede rin naman, ito yung glass of water. Okay, dito naman sa gilid po pwede na rin just to be safe. Yan. So, mga 2 to 3 minutes nyo. Okay. Tsaka nyo ngayon iinumin. Okay, so what will happen to the molecules of water? So na-decluster siya. It breaks the water particles into a linear form. So makikita nyo, lumiliit yung particles. So anong ibig sabihin nito? So once na ininom natin, syempre it is readily absorbed by our body. Yung mga cells natin. Ano bang content ng water? It's H2O, right? More oxygen ang na-absorb ng ating body, which is, that's the food of our body, ng cells natin. Right? And ang maganda pa nito, itong nakikita nyo rito, na nai-improve niya rin yung blood circulation. So, before you drink water, so ang blood circulation natin, o before therapy, dikit-dikit, okay, yung ating mga blood cells. Pero once na nag-blow na tayo, kahit mga few minutes lang yan, and once we drink ay TheraCare charged water, yan, naghihiwa-hiwalay na yung mga blood cells, meaning to say, nai-improve yung blood circulation doon sa body natin. Kaya tayo na-energize, na-rejuvenate. Right? Parang feeling natin, wow, di ba? Parang nawawala na yung discomfort natin. Yan. Okay. So that's the different water molecules na benefits pagka ininom natin. Of course, we're going to have a disclaimer that the TheraCare device is a certified household electrical equipment and it is not a medical device. We are not registered as a medical device. Although, yung ating kaninang inexplain sa history ng innovation and discovery nitong device natin, is we are utilizing the concept of the terahertz and hitting the bone. But of course, ibang usapan na kasi pagka ni-register natin ito as medical device. So, it's gonna take a longer time para talaga siya ma-declare na medical device. So, for now, let's just enjoy the benefits and let's just declare it as an household electrical equipment. Okay, so I will show you some of the testimonies. Just very quick. So, hindi lang siya pampa-improve ng ating discomfort and pains, but of course, ginagamit din yan sa mga pang-beauty. Yan. So, especially yung mga elderly. Yan. To prevent yung mga wrinkles para stay looking young. Yan. So, may mga testimony na before and after therapy ng 15 minutes. So, unti-unti nababawasan yung wrinkles. Yan. So, nai-stretch siya. Nagiging firmer. At saka nagkakaroon ng glow. Napiprevent yung sagging. Diba? Of the skin. Yan. So, meron din mga skin blemishes. Right? So, yan. Nakikita naman natin they are all smiles. Hindi lang mga Easterners, Indians, even mga Europeans. Ayan. Ayaw na mag-move. Ayan. Even yung mga blonde girls, they are really enjoying the benefits for their skin beauty. At hindi lang for skin beautification, pati sa mga skin diseases, yung mga extreme type, mga worst type ng mga diseases, yan, natutulungan. Okay, little by little. Kaya nga therapy device, meaning to say you need to continue one therapy after another. So makikita nyo rito, after 6 times pa ng therapy, tsaka medyo nagkakaroon ng mga improvement. Pero that's good news, right? Instead of just putting ointment, very expensive pa naman yan, mga topical application na yan. Pero at least, with one device natin, marami tayong paggagamitan. Okay. What else? So, as you can see here. Yan. So, syempre, as we age, medyo kakaroon ng problema sa mga arthritis. We cannot open our fingers. So, it's hard to do our task every day kung medyo challenge tayo dyan. So, after 15 minutes therapy, yan, nagkaka-close open na yung kanyang fingers. What else? Yan. So, sa mga gas spasm, yan, it's very fast. Especially yung mga infants. Diba? Sige sila iyak. Hindi natin alam bakit they keep on crying. Busog naman sila, pero yung pala ang daming gas na nandoon na sa stomach nila. Kaya few minutes lang ng marirelease na yung gas. Kaya yan, mako-comfort na yung mga infants natin because they cannot say what they want, right? Because they're still infant. So ito naman mga elderly din, so frozen shoulder. Mike is an American, so yan ang mga prominent na sakit sa US, mga frozen shoulder. Okay. What else? Ito yung mga Bell's palsy na sa tingin mo, wow, how can it be treated? Right? But using our iTera Care device, we can see the difference after 8 days of everyday therapy. Okay? So ito rin, paralyzed already. But as you can see here, first day, 8th day, on the 53rd day, it's not gonna be magic. Kaya nga therapy, so continuous, consistent usage day after day. So makikita natin dito, wow, amazing. Nakakalakad na si Lola. But of course, with the use of a helper na device. Pero as you can see, from a paralyzed na hindi niya even ma-move yung legs niya, now still already walking. Wow, grabe yung epekto. And even, syempre, yung mga sikat na mga personality. Yan. So, pagka nagkakaedad ka na talaga, sumasakit na yung likod mo. So, anong resolution niya? Salon pass or liniment patch. Diba? Normal yan sa mga nagkakaedad na, mga above 40, palaging may baon yan, right? Para pagka masakit, yan. So, ang ginagawa niya is, ayan, nagpa-therapy siya. Okay? Okay, move forward. Yeah. So, goodbye, salon pass na. Okay, so it is being used in different therapy centers around the world, China, India, and even those sa mga COVID therapy center. Okay, so makikita din natin yung it is being used. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung video. Yan, nag-improvise sila. So, they are utilizing yung pressure. Actually, subukan nyo yan na hindi lang i-blow, but try to press with your finger yung likod nyo. Wow, grabe ang ka-relax ang mangyayari sa inyo. Okay, with all these amazing benefits and features of the product, most of you